In this video, we are going to be looking at method of integration by parts. Now, if v of x and v of x are functions of x, then the derivative of their products, that's d dx of their product u dot v, is given as u dv dx plus v du dx. So at this point now, let's integrate both sides. Integrate both sides, and if we do that, integrate both sides with respect to x of u dot v, the x will be equal to integral of u dv over dx plus integral of v du dx. So remember, integral d dx will turn to 1 because this is the reverse of this. Integration is the reverse of differentiation, so their product is going to give you 1. So we'll be left with u v to be equal to integral of u dv over dx, this dx, plus integral of v du dx. So let's make this the subject of the formula. If we do that, we're going to have integral of u dv dx to be equal to uv minus integral of v du dx. Integral of u dv dx equal to uv minus integral of v du dx, and this is our formula for integration by parts. So in our subsequent videos, we are going to be looking at examples on integration by parts.